Hello all, my name is Jitendra Indve. Here I am going to demonstrate how to create a Google form for multiple choice questionnaires. So first of all, go to the web address drive.google.com. This will ask for your Gmail credentials. Enter the same. Click to next. This will load Google Drive. Go to the new, more. Inside more there is option Google Forms. Click on it. This will bring Google Form designing window. Here we are. Before proceeding, some setting parameters are there. We should set going through settings. So click over here settings. If you want to release marks manually to the students as per your time, so you can go to this option, collect email address. If you want to release marks automatically to the students, it means as soon as you complete the exam, the marks will be automatically released. In that case, you don't need to select this one. Limit to one response, it means student will get only one chance to submit the marks. If you do not select this one, they will get another link after the submission where they can reappear in test. So better to avoid this kind of situation, click to limit to one response. Go to the quizzes, select make this a quiz. Immediately after each submission, earlier I told you, if you wish that after completing the test, marks should be automatically released to each and every student, this one should be selected. But if you want that mark should be released, but after some time, in that case you can select this option. Right now I am selecting immediately. I will click to save. Here form name. First of all, I will grab the student detail. That's why I will say student detail. And field for the same I will get from here. Right now one is showing multiple choice. I will update it from here. Short answer. Student name. This field is compulsory. That's why I will select required. I will get a duplicate copy of the same. Class. Another duplicate copy. Division. Another duplicate copy. Mobile. And last one. Email ID. Here is another option called section. So this is the section 1 where I will get the student details. I will go to the section break. Another section will be added. Update the title. Chapter review test 1. Test 1. Chapter 1 and 4. So this is our section 1. Click to plus sign. This will bring this kind of field. Multiple choice is already there. If not available, simply go to this option and click to multiple choice. Here I am going to get first question. Which of the following is input device? Option 1, keyboard, mouse, touch pen, all of these. There is the option answer key. Just click to answer key and set the right answer, allot the marks and click to the done. To get another question, I will click to this button, duplicate. This will bring duplicate of the same. Update this one. Belongs to generation. Second, third, fourth and fifth. Again I will go to the answer. We'll select the right one and allot to the mark. Finally we'll click to the done. One more last question for demo purpose. ARPANET stand for American Defense Project Research Agency Network. All defense private research agency net all India defense private research agency net. And last one, none of these. Go to the answer, select the right one and click to done. But make sure here is the point allocated. Click to the done button. So this is the form we have created for multiple choice questionnaire test. Here we should change the name of form. CRT 01. click to the send button. This will bring a window. In this window, go to the pin sign, copy, and click into another window and paste it. This will bring the form. So after copy paste the link, it will bring the fresh blank form where we have to enter first of all student detail. Let's have some dummy data. Student name, class 11, division B, mobile number 998711042, email ID, enigmasound.net. And click to the next button. Here the question will start. Which of the following is the input device? Select the right one, whichever is right. Here also, and last one, and click to the submit button. So as soon as the test is completed, this kind of option will appear to the student, view score. When they click on it, they will get the result, whether they have completed the test or not. Here in the right top corner you can see the marks acquired along with their response and personal details. After completing test, teacher can see all the response received from the students right here. Earlier I have submitted a demo form. Response of the same is appearing here, that one student have responded. Just click on it. You can see average, median, range in the graph format. Moreover, name of the students, from which class he belongs, to all the personal information, as well as the questionnaire strength, in term of correct response. In graph format it will show you. If you want to see individually, you can go to the individual. So individual student report can be seen here. The real response along with marks and also personal detail. You just have to switch next if the multiple students are there. In my case there is only one student, that's why this option is disabled. Or you can go to the next to see the next level of students. Moreover, you can get print copy or PDF format of the student response. Click to the print response. This will bring print dialog box. In the print dialog box, make sure you have enter some PDF reader software, which will appear right here. Right now there is no PDF software in my computer, that's why it is not showing, but you can get a print in PDF format also. One more important option is there, create a spreadsheet. If all the data you want to get in a spreadsheet format, the same is possible by clicking over here. You can get this. But before this, one more question left to discuss, which is questions. In question, you can see the student response question by question. You just need to go any one of this field. Simply for the question 1, I want to see all the records of student. Only one response is there, that's why it is showing 1. Click on it. It will be in the right option. Only one student is there, that's why no more detail is available. So here you can go to the create spreadsheet and create. the record of the students will be available in tabular format in the Excel sheet. Now here you can see at what time student appeared in the exam, how many score he got, name of the student, class, division, all the personal information detail for what I have entered in section 1. And in the last you will see response of the student to the each and every question. I have taken 3 questions, that's why you will get column by column all 3 questions and what response they have given, the same can be seen here. It's loading, you have to wait. You can see all the 3 questions and their response what the student have submitted. So this is the important one to entering marks in the Excel sheet along with the student personal detail as well as a question. So this is the how we can work through Google Form, especially to take multiple choice questionnaires for the exam and to generate a report. Thank you.